Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Upasana Taneja, and in this video we have very important question. We are given AB is 40, BC is 50 and CA is 60 and we need to find the value of ABC. And how do we do these types of questions? What will we do? We can say this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. So if we multiplying 1, 2 and 3. If we multiply, what will we get? Left hand side will become AB times BC times CA is equal to 40 times 50 times 60, right? And this would become, now we will solve this thing, this would become A square B square C square is equal to 120,000, right? Now, if we take square root both sides, taking square root both sides, what will we get? This would become ABC because it is ABC raised to power 2 and we are taking square root, and here as well we have 120,000, we take square root here. What will we get? This would become ABC and this would become, these two zeros will become out, it will become 100 and under root of 12, right? Now what will I do? ABC is equal to 100. What is square root of 12? It is actually 4 times 3, right? And ABC is equal to 100. Now I will bring this 4 out and it will become 2 because square root of 4 is 2. We will get this. So that means ABC, we got ABC is 200 root 3. Now we need to find the value of ABC for calculating A plus B plus C, right? What will I do? Suppose this is equation 4. Now one by one I will divide equation 4 by equation 1. Okay, so that means ABC is equal to 200 root 3 and I will divide it with equation number 1. AB is equal to 40. So if I divide, I will get this 40, right? A and B will cancel out. I will get C is equal to, I will cancel this out. I will get 5 root 3. So we got C here. Similarly, now we will divide equation 4 by equation 2. ABC by 200 root 3 by BC, right? And BC is equal to 50, right? So we will cancel out B and C and here we will get what? 4. So we got A is equal to 4 root 3, right? Similarly, I will divide equation 4 by equation 3, right? I will get ABC by CA is equal to 200 root 3 by 60, right? This is, we got 20 by 6 is what? 2 3s are and 10 root 3 by 3. So B is equal to 10 root 3 by 3, right? Now we eventually need to find the value of A plus B plus C, right? So we write here A plus B plus C is equal to 4 root 3 and B is what? 10 root 3 by 3 and C is what? 5 root 3. So if I add them, what will I take? I will first take LCM. 3 is LCM. This will become 12 root 3. This will become 10 root 3 and this will become 15 root 3, right? And this will become 37 root 3 by 3. So this is the value of ABC. So I hope you understood this. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel, and for more such videos, visit my channel. Thank you.